In this video, I'm going to show you how to make viral Instagram Reels. When I started building this strategy, I watched a ton of interviews with Adam Mosseri, the CEO of Instagram. Here's what he had to say about the algorithm.
But one of the most important things to look at is definitely the sends. So of the people who saw it, how many of them sent it to a friend?
I learned his recommendations are actually wrong. And in this video, I'm going to share the data on what actually works. So I'm going to teach you how to make viral Instagram Reels from scratch. But before we get into it, I need to warn you. This will require you to use your brain and be creative. But don't worry, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. And make sure you stay till the end of this video because you'll learn how to incorporate psychological triggers that will get you more engagement on your videos. Let's get into it. So first, let's talk about what you need to optimize for. If you're new to social media and not sure what I mean by that, let me explain really quickly. We basically want to track one specific metric that will make or break your video. Then we want to figure out how to maximize it. So let me show you how to do this. First, you can find your metrics on this screen. Once you get to this screen, you'll need to track the most important metric, which right now is watch time. This means if you have a high watch time, your video has a great shot at going viral. This video I made with my wife has over 800,000 views. The entire video is 6 seconds, but the average watch time is 11 seconds. This means that on average, people watch this video 2 times, and it doesn't even have that many shares. Yet it's going viral despite what Adam Mosseri said in his interview. When people are watching your videos over and over, it maximizes your chances of going viral. Instagram will show your video to more and more people until your average watch time starts to decline. But here's the thing, if your average watch time doesn't drop as more and more people see your video, the algorithm will keep pushing your video and you'll keep going viral. On this video, the watch time hasn't been dropping. But on the other hand, this video almost went viral. But as it started getting more and more views, the watch time started dropping substantially. So here's why this video didn't end up going viral. I should have optimized for a secondary metric, engagement. If people are looping your video, but they're not commenting or sharing, your video will hit a ceiling at maybe 50,000 views. In order to maximize engagement, we need to incorporate famous psychological triggers. You can type into ChatGPT, what are the famous psychological triggers that get social media engagement, and it will tell you. I like to give ChatGPT my video concept and my captions and ask it to give me 10 revisions that incorporate psychological triggers. If you do this effectively, people will comment on your video and share it. Including these triggers in your video will help you maximize your watch time, and honestly, I think they're pretty essential in order to go viral. And now if you listen closely, I'll share with you a few other things that I like to do to maximize my watch time. The first thing I like to do is keep my videos between 6 and 11 seconds. If your video is less than 6 seconds, the algorithm usually won't pick up your video. So don't try to game the algorithm. On the other hand, if your video is more than 11 seconds, the chances of people watching 100% of your video drop substantially. People just don't have the attention span for long videos anymore. So keep your videos between 6 and 11 seconds and give people incentives to watch over and over again. Let me give you an example of an incentive that I use in another video.
Wait till I give my money right.
People were surprised by the twist, so they watched it again to fully understand what happened in the video. Adding twists to your video that are simple and engaging are a great way to get people to watch your videos more than once. With that said, now you should be ready to start creating your Instagram Reels. But here's a quick tip before we get started. In order to properly execute on these strategies, you need to know your niche. In other words, know what category you're in. My wife, for example, is a professional organizer, and so we only make content about organizing. Okay, now let me show you how to make a viral reel. To create a viral reel, there's a really simple formula you can use. Step 1 is to use a viral sound. When you use viral sounds, you always get more views on your videos. To find viral sounds, go to the Reels Explore page and click the icon on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Then click the up arrow. This page shows you the top 50 viral sounds. You want to pick a sound created by the community. Sounds created by the community are usually labeled as original audio. Then you want to pick a template. Watch the top 4 to 5 videos using the sound. If there's multiple videos using the same formula, this is called a template. You want to use the top viral videos as templates and rework them to fit your niche. So if you're in the organizing niche, like my wife is, we put an organizing twist on the content that's already going viral. Every few days, there's new viral sound, so you want to make sure you record your video and release it as fast as possible. This will allow you to capitalize on the momentum of the viral sound. I'd say post the video within 24 to 48 hours of hearing it. Now let me show you how to produce these reels. Copy the URL from the template video. Then go to snapinsta.app and paste the link for your template. Click download. This will download the exact viral audio on your computer. Next, use your iPhone to literally recreate the video, but rework it to fit your niche. Here's an example of one that I did with my wife.
Me and my truth, we sit in silence.
There were people doing this Me and My Truth template, and we basically restructured it for her niche.
Me and my truth, we sit in silence.
I had her lip sync the viral audio. If you don't have a budget, you can just use your iPhone to film. But I like to use a ZV-E10 video camera and Elgato key lights to get the lighting really bright. I put links in the description below. Next, I use a video editing program called CapCut. CapCut is like $10 a month, and most influencers use it to edit videos. It's super intuitive and really simple. Drag in the video you recorded. Then sync up the audio between the video and the template. Then what I like to do is chop off the end super abruptly so that when people watch the video, they loop it in order to fully understand what happened at the end. This is great for virality and getting more views. Next, we want to export the video from CapCut and upload it to Instagram. When we do this, we want to go to the video editor and mute the CapCut audio and replace it with the viral sound that's natively in the Instagram app. This might sound really complicated, but the Instagram algorithm likes when you use their video editor. You'll usually get more views doing it this way. It's a pain, but it's worth it at the end of the day. So each video will usually take 48 hours or so to ingest into the algorithm. I find that on my reels that go viral, they'll get 20,000 views in the first 48 hours, then views will temporarily level off. Then over the course of the following 2 weeks, I'll start getting 10 to 50,000 views a day. This keeps happening until my average watch time drops substantially or engagement slows down dramatically. Typically, the life cycle of an Instagram reel, I think nowadays, is about 30 days. At a minimum, you want to be uploading your reels at least 3 times a week. I typically like to post 5 times a week. I wouldn't post 10 times a day or anything like that. You want to keep it reasonable. So once a day during the work week I found works the best, but you can do less, 3 times a week. You can even do more, maybe 7 times a week if you want to do once a day, but I wouldn't do it too much. You want to basically have as many shots on goal as possible and spray and pray your content. Good luck.